So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today let us know about the business revolution in 2026. By 2026, artificial intelligence will completely transform the way local businesses operate. AI is not replacing humans, it's replacing those who don't use it. Now imagine this, your neighborhood shop running professional ads, replying instantly to customers 24 by 7 and growing online without hiring expensive experts. That's the future. And in this video, I'm going to show you how AI powered local services are becoming the next big business revolution and how you be part of it. Okay, let's start it now. So, the first thing is the problem. Local businesses are struggling digitally, isn't it? Most local businesses are struggling to survive in the digital era. Digital skill gap. Most shop owners don't have the expertise to market themselves online. High cost. Hiring professionals for marketing, design, or content is too expensive, isn't it? Rising expectations. Customers demand instant replies and modern services. This gap between expectation and reality is where local businesses are losing. Now see the solution. AI powered local services. AI changing everything. With the right AI tools, small businesses no longer need expensive agencies. They can get digital designs, advertisements, chatbots, branding, and even content all instantly. Add a friction of the cost. This opens up a new business opportunity. People like you can become the bridge between AI and local shops. You can help them grow while building your own profitable service businesses. Now see here, what are the services you can offer? Services you can offer with AI. Social media posts and ads tailored to local customers, 24/7 AI powered customer chatbots, professional logos and branding in minutes, content writing for menus, product descriptions, blogs, websites, and a promotional video and posters with minimal effort. These are services every businesses need, but few can afford traditionally. Now see here, why this market will boom in 2026? Because of the digital acceleration, accessible tools, budget concentrate. Businesses are going digital faster than ever, isn't it? AI tools are becoming cheaper, smarter, and easier to use. Small businesses desperately need affordable digital product. Desperately need digital support, isn't it? Early adopters will dominate. Those who start today will build expertise, trust, and portfolios before the market gets crowded. Isn't it? Those who start offering AI-powered services now will build the expertise before the market becomes saturated, establish trust relationships with local businesses, develop systems and workflow that can be scaled, create a portfolio of successful case studies. That's what I said now. By 2026, these early adopters will have significant market advantages. Now see here, how to start? It's a question which can be arise to every human. Now see here, how to start your AI service businesses. I will tell you step by step. See there. Learn free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Midjourney. Approach local shops in your area and offer help. Keep pricing affordable, like 500 to 2000 per project. Expand to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. That's your entry into the AI-powered service businesses. Now see the earning potentials. Even if you are doing a job or anything else, if you do it the part time also, even part time, if you have 10 clients, approximate each project is of 1000, you can earn up to 10,000 per month. And if you work for the full time, if you have 50 clients into 2000, you can earn like above 1 lakh per month. And with scaling through assistants, agencies, or apps, the income potential becomes unlimited. Now see this, scaling your AI service businesses. Grow it into two ways, vertical growth and a horizontal growth. Vertical growth in the sense specialize in industries like restaurants, retail, healthcare, offer premium packages, industry templates, isn't it? Now see the horizontal growth, hire assistant, build an agency, or launch your own AI powered platform. That's how you turn a simple freelancing service into a scalable business. Now let's come to the conclusion. What's the advantages of AI? AI is not the threat. The real threat is being left behind. Local businesses need affordable digital solutions. AI provides the tools and you can be the one to bring them together. Start today. Be the AI powered service provider for your local area and ride the wave of the business revolution of 2026. This completes your AI powered local services topic. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, do you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on using AI tools to start your service businesses? I will create for you. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you all.